Hey, what's up? How's everybody doing? Welcome to my channel, Mikey's Automotive. Hola, bienvenidos a mi canal, Mikey's Automotive. Здравствуйте, как дела? Добро пожаловать на мой канал, my ключи автомобильный. So today, you guys, we have a 2007 Durango, and we're gonna program this key. As you guys can see, the immobilizer light, which is that red dot, is blinking. Okay, so that means that the key is not from there or the key is not programmed. Como pueden ver, tenemos un 2007 Dodge Durango y pueden ver la luz del inmovilizador que está flashando roja, ese puntito rojo. So hoy vamos a programar la llave con nuestro Keto Max. Alright guys, so we're going to program our key with our Keto Max. Make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi. You do have internet, okay? Asegúrense que tienen internet y que estén conectados en línea. So as you guys can see up here, I'm connected to my Wi-Fi. We're going to go ahead and select our OBD2. Make sure that you are connected, that you have plugged it into your car, okay? And you do have internet. So ahorita vamos a conectar a nuestro herramienta de OBD, okay? Que ya está conectado a nuestro carro, a nuestro OBD. And the first thing that we're going to do, you guys, when it comes down to programming Dodge, Jeep, Chrysler, the first thing that we got to do is read the pin. So we're always going to read the pin first because they're always going to ask us for a 4-digit pin code for these vehicles, Dodge, Jeep, Chrysler, okay, Ram. So we're going to go ahead and search, sort by area. We're going to go to North America. Vamos a seleccionar por área. Vamos a ir a Norteamérica. Vamos a ir a Durango 2007 arriba. So we're going to go to North America, Dodge Durango, 2007 and up, and we're going to go normal key. Vamos a ir a llave normal. So let's go ahead and start execution, you guys. Now, like I mentioned, the first thing that we got to do is go ahead and read the pin first. Okay, so lo primero que tenemos que hacer es leer el pin. So we're going to go ahead and read the pin. Now, you guys, when you guys read the pin, make sure that you guys put it down or take a picture of it. Don't keep reading it over and over again because it's not going to read it for a second time if you guys keep doing it. So you guys can see we have 3 number of current keys. And we're going to go ahead and read that pin only once. It says turn off ignition, and then turn it back on. Okay, so we're going to turn it off, turn it back on. And then we're going to select OK. So vamos a apagar el carro, lo vamos a prender. Vamos a oprimir OK y los va a dar ahorita el número de PIN. So vamos a ir a leer PIN, read PIN. Y como pueden ver, ahí está nuestro número 6386. You guys can see there's an IMO authorization code 6386, and that's a 4-digit PIN code that we need to program our key, okay? Our key is a Phillips 46. Okay, Phillips 46. As you guys can see, we have our key inside the ignition. We turned it on. Okay, our light is flashing on. Pueden ver nuestra luz de movilizador que está flashando. Está nuestra llave dentro y vamos a programar la llave. So we're going to go ahead and program the key with our code that we have. So we're going to go to program keys. Vamos a ir a programar llaves. We're going to go ahead and put the key that we want to program and turn it on. Vamos a poner la llave que queremos programar y poner sí. Vamos a poner nuestro código y oprimir OK. We're going to put in our code 6386 and we're going to press OK. First it's going to tell us that it has 3 keys. Now you guys don't do none of that. As you guys can see, it says matching successful. The remote will program automatically, you guys, for these vehicles. So as you guys can see, there's 4 keys now in the system. If you guys have another key, you guys can put it in there and press yes, but I'm going to press no. Ok, so como pueden ver, ya tenemos 4 llaves en el sistema. Si quieren programar otra llave, oprimen sí. Si no, oprimen no. Alright, you guys, so it says program complete. We successfully programmed our key. We're going to go all the way back, and then log out of this and remove our OBD tool and try out our key, make sure that it turns on our vehicle. So como pueden ver, ya salimos de aquí. Vamos a ir para atrás. Y vamos a desconectar nuestra herramienta OBD, calar nuestra llave, asegurarnos que sirva. Todo bien y listos. Alright, you guys, so we're going to go ahead and try key, make sure that it turns on, make sure that it's good, and we're all good to go. Like I mentioned, if there's a remote on here, the remote will program automatically. So si tienen un control, el control automáticamente se va a programar. No tienen que programar el control separado. Es una programación sola. Alright, guys, well, thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys hit like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you guys want to become members, go ahead and join today. Next to the subscribe button from a laptop or a desktop, you can join, okay, and become members and be entered for our free giveaways that have priority commenting. Alright, guys, till later. Take care. Ok, pues como pueden ver, nuestra llave está programada. Y es todo, así es como se programa esta llave. No se olviden darle un like, suscribirte a mi canal.